What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a wireless conference lavalier microphone set. This is insane. This is crazy. This may be a game changer, you guys. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. It says it does up to 65 foot, but I don't think you need to be 65 feet away from somebody in a conference call. So I am not exactly sure how this works yet, but we are going to get into it. Now, I do have friends that is connected in podcasting, studio work. Y'all know I make beats here. I am into music and stuff like that. So I do have friends that have podcasts, and one particular is called Awkward Intelligent Podcast. I think I may be giving this to them. Sometimes they have guests on the show, and depending on how this might work good for their platform. So if I remember, I will try to link them in the description. Here it goes, a big speaker, and right here is charger wire. We took out the instructions already. Let's see. Oh, and then we have the goodies right here, you guys. This is assuming going to the speaker. This should power the speaker right here. Right here we have a USB connector right here. All right. And we have the most important thing, the microphones. All right, you have your speaker right there, clip. And can you rotate the clip? Can you rotate? No, you can't rotate it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this. Goes our wire. I am going to just power it up with the computer. I plugged it in back there. So right here, they did give you a converter. So if you have a USB port, you can hook it with USB. But we have a MacBook, so USB Type-C will work for us. So let's go ahead and plug it. And the speaker comes on right away. There is no delay or nothing, all right? All right, you guys, I sent my wife a Google Meet, and I want to see if this lavalier mic will work. And then y'all can set up y'all little conference calls. Wow, that speaker is loud. You can use add-ons, got it. Someone wants to join the call. Now, how do I add? Admit? Oh, okay, that's how you let somebody.
Hey, babe.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I am talking to my wife on the lavalier mic. Do it sound like I'm far away now?
Yes.
All right, how does it sound now?
Like you're all up in the mic.
Okay, you guys, so yeah, that's just how the system works. So if you on a conference call, you can use your lavalier mic if somebody else is further away. So yeah, that is pretty awesome. And y'all see how loud the speaker is. Okay, Mom, I just wanted to test that out.
Okay. Bye, guys.
All right, you guys. So she said bye, and that will be it. And yeah, so that's how this lavalier microphone works. So I test this out doing, oh, I don't know why I'm still talking through this. So I test this this conference lavalier mic set on the OBS system. So if you are once again doing like a podcast, you have 5 people on the podcast, which we have 5 mics right here. If you have 5 people on the podcast, you can say, hey, take this mic, take this mic, take this mic, take this mic, and everybody will be mic'd up and you can do your podcast. And the speaker is basically for playback. You can't hear yourself through the speaker, you guys. You need this. The mic is connected to the speaker. Make sure you connect your mic up through your computer. You have to go to your sounds, your preference, however you got it. If you got Windows, or if you have what's this thing? I already say iOS system. What is this thing? I forgot. Mac OS. I said iOS like it's a phone. So if you have the Mac OS system or you have a PC, then go to your sound preferences and find the find USB phone. On mine it says USB phone. I got that as sound going in. If you want it for sound coming out, you have to go from output. So you got your input and you got your output. Both of mine is on USB phone. All right, so that's about it. Y'all can let me know about the sound quality or not. I think the sound quality is decent from what I got back from the playback from when I was on the OBS system. And yeah, so that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about the lavalier mic set, hit me up in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. But as far as right now, I might be giving this out to the Awkward Intelligence podcast. Salute to them. I just want to give them something. Maybe they want to have more guests on the show. Everybody could get mic'd up and stuff like that. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.